My Jesus, I love thee, I know thou art mine. For thee all the pleasures of sin I resign. My gracious Redeemer, my Saviour art thou. If ever I love thee, my Jesus, 'tis now. I love thee because thou hast first loved me, and purchased my pardon on Calvary's tree. I love thee for wearing the thorns on thy brow. If ever I love thee, my Jesus, 'tis now. I will love thee in life, I will love in death, and praise thee as long as thou lendest me breath, and say when the dew lies cold on my brow, if ever I loved thee, my Jesus, 'tis now.